Okay, we're lightning chasers here. Hopefully we don't get nailed. That one was close. I missed it. Hang on. Hopefully you get another one. Hopefully it doesn't zap us. Standing on a steel ship, steel decks. Like, there it is. But I saw that one lit up the whole room. There it is. Look at this guy, man. He's just chilling. He's just like, yeah, I'm going to work. Look at me. I don't care if the lightning kills me. It's okay. I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it too. They don't give us umbrellas at work. My sandwich is all screwed up. So good. My panini, my Cuban.